Halfley Cafe is a newly opened seaside cafe that is quickly becoming a popular destination for travelers and cafe lovers. With its relaxing coastal atmosphere and beautiful ocean views, it offers the perfect escape from the busy city and a great place to slow down and enjoy the moment. The cafe features an open and airy design that allows natural light to fill the space, creating a bright and comfortable environment. Its decoration blends modern minimalist style with a beachside vibe, making the place feel both stylish and relaxing. Many corners of the cafe are thoughtfully arranged, giving visitors plenty of beautiful spots for photos. One of the highlights of Halfley Cafe is the seating area facing the sea. Guests can sit back, enjoy the ocean breeze, and listen to the gentle sound of the waves. Whether you visit in the morning for a peaceful cup of coffee, or in the afternoon to watch the sunset, the atmosphere always feels calm and refreshing. The menu includes a variety of coffee, tea, and refreshing drinks made from carefully selected ingredients. There are also desserts and bakery items that pair perfectly with the beverages, making it a great place for a relaxing break. With its scenic seaside location, stylish design, and laid-back atmosphere, Halfley Cafe has quickly become a must-visit cafe for anyone looking for a beautiful place to relax by the sea.